MDwave Center install program is easy to install. The installation process is divided into 3 stages. In the first stage, insert the program disk into the computer's disk drive. The install program will usually operate automatically. If not, you can activate it manually by double-clicking MDwave Center file. In the following stages, a number of windows related to the program's installation will appear on screen. In the first window, Welcome to MDwave Center Install Program, click Next. In the next window relating to selecting the installation library, click Next. Now, click on Start to initiate actual program installation. Within a number of seconds, a window indicating that basic installation has been completed will appear. Click Next. To complete the installation, click Exit. In the next stage, the Silicon Labs driver for communicating with the MDwave device will be installed. Click Install. Wait patiently until the installation of the driver is completed. Next, a window relating to the copying of the driver file will appear, immediately followed by a Windows warning announcement. Confirm your agreement to proceed with the installation by selecting Install this driver software anyway. Upon receipt of a window announcing completion of the installation, click OK. Now, connect the MDwave device to the flat pad. Next, connect the device to your computer using the USB cable. At this stage, the system is ready for operation. Check that the device is turned off. A green MDwave Center icon will appear on the computer's desktop. Double-click the icon to activate the program. In the window for connecting the program to the MDwave device, a red Not Connected announcement will appear. Now turn on the MDwave device and check that the previously red announcement in the connection window has become a green Connected announcement. At this stage, click the MDwave button in the connection window for opening the device's management program. The system is now ready for programming the MDwave device, as will be described in the next video clips.